Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Binance Hodler Airdrop Program, which allows you to earn cryptocurrencies very easily just by holding Binance's native token, BNB. You'll see it's very easy to set up. I'm going to show you everything on my Binance account on my computer, and I'll also introduce you to a project that was recently listed on Binance through this program, the Somnia project, so you can see the kind of cryptocurrency you can earn with it. So if you're ready, let's get started. So the very first step is to have a Binance account. It's really very simple to open. It only takes a few minutes. If you don't have an account yet, well, I have a nice gift for you. I have a promotional offer that will let you get a discount on your fees. If you want, you can use my affiliate link to sign up on Binance. You'll find it just below this YouTube video, either in the description or in the first pinned comment. And what's really cool for you is that it will let you save 20% on your Binance fees. And you'll even get a bonus credited to you to save even more on your fees. So it's really a win-win for you, and it also helps support the channel. So don't hesitate to use the link in the description. You just have to click on it and you'll be automatically redirected to Binance. Then you simply need to sign up by entering an email address. Next, the verification only takes a few minutes and you'll have a fully functional Binance account. You can then use the affiliate code RH9S25AL, which will instantly unlock all these gifts and bonuses for you. So once you're registered or logged in on the Binance platform, on the homepage, you'll see at the top right a small button labeled More. If you click on Launchpool, just like this, you'll be able to access the Hodler Airdrops program, where you can see that several projects have already been listed and distributed to Binance users. So what is this Hodler Airdrops program? Basically, it's a program designed to reward loyal Binance members who hold Binance's native token, BNB. It's a program that allows for airdrops, meaning the free distribution of cryptocurrencies to BNB holders on Binance. I think this is really one of the easiest ways to get free cryptocurrencies because you simply need to buy and hold BNB on Binance to automatically receive these airdrop rewards. So what's the point in the end of these partnerships between crypto projects and Binance to distribute cryptocurrencies for free like this? Well, quite simply because it allows them to do a bit of advertising to gain visibility and by distributing a portion of their tokens to regular users. This way, it encourages people to take an interest in the project while also rewarding the loyalty of Binance users. It's similar to when brands offer free samples in supermarkets. Well, it's pretty much the same thing with this program. There are several types of airdrops. Some require you to be active on Discord servers, others ask you to complete certain tasks to promote the project. And then there are some that are really very simple, like this Hodler Airdrop program. Its name says it all, Hodler, meaning to hold. You simply need to hold BNB to automatically be eligible to receive free cryptocurrencies. We can see here that there have been projects almost every week lately that have been distributed to people who are part of the Hodler Airdrop program. For example, here we have the very famous crypto project Somnia, whose website you can see here, which is actually a layer 1 blockchain compatible with EVMs. So, a layer 1 blockchain is simply a foundational main blockchain where various transactions and diverse crypto applications can effectively run, like prominent examples such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, or even Solana. And the main advantage of the Somnia project is that it is EVM compatible, meaning Ethereum Virtual Machine compatible. This means that all the applications and games that already run on the Ethereum blockchain can also be deployed on the Somnia blockchain, with the main benefits being much faster speeds and significantly lower costs. It's really quite an interesting crypto project because applications that already run on the Ethereum blockchain, like OpenSea for trading NFTs, can use the Somnia blockchain to trade NFTs much faster and at a much lower cost. And in fact, the main goal of the Somnia project is to allow large-scale applications like social networks or games played by millions of people to be deployed on the blockchain at a lower cost and very quickly. And to introduce the project, they partnered with Binance through their Hodler Airdrop program, and as a result, their token, SOMI, whose price you can see here since its launch in early September, has only gone up. It was launched at around $0.5 and now it's at a little over $1. And it's precisely this project token that will be used to pay transaction fees for every action on the blockchain, as well as to enable transaction validation and so on. What's great about this token is that it's a deflationary token, which means there's a finite amount of tokens and there will never be more. So logically, the value of the token should increase over time because there are only 1 billion tokens in total, and every time a transaction or action is performed on the Somnia blockchain, a portion of these tokens will be destroyed. This will make the SOMI token increasingly rare, which should logically lead to an increase in its value. So, quite a few Binance users have received this SOMI token simply and for free. This was during the period from August 12th to August 15th, when you just had to hold BNB on Binance, invested in their simple earn strategy to be eligible for this airdrop, which was then distributed 24 hours later. Then the SOMI token was listed on Binance on September 2nd, and after that, well, once you have your tokens that were distributed through this airdrop, you can simply hold on to them, relax, and benefit from any increase in value, or just sell them right away to pocket immediate gains. So now I'm going to show you concretely how to make yourself eligible for these crypto airdrops on Binance. So quite simply, once you're logged into Binance, you need to hold BNB, which is Binance's native cryptocurrency. To do this, you first need to deposit money on Binance. So you can do this at the top right by clicking on the deposit option here in yellow. There are several options for depositing money on Binance. Your local currency will normally be displayed. For me, it's euros. So you can simply click here, for example, on deposit euros or deposit dollars, etc. It will depend on where you are located. And then, for example, you can make instant bank transfers, or you can also simply pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even by credit card. Once that's done, you can click on the option at the top left, buy crypto. The crypto we're interested in is BNB. So you simply click on BNB like this, and then here you enter the currency you just deposited into your Binance account, or simply another crypto you might already have in your Binance account, and then you specify the amount. For example, I'm going to enter 15 euros here. You will then see the amount that will be converted into BNB. Next, for the payment method, you click on it. So you can select your fiat balance. As you can see here, I have 127 euros in my Binance account. You can also directly buy BNB using this option with your bank card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc. I already have euros in my Binance balance, so I'm going to click on this option. Then you click Confirm. Next, you click on Buy BNB. Then you click on Confirm. It only took a few seconds, as you can see here. After that, you can click on Check My Assets here. And then, in your spot wallet, which is your main wallet, you can see that you now have BNB that have been added. So that was the first step, buying BNB on Binance. And now you'll need to deposit them into the Earn program to be eligible for the Hodler Airdrop Program to receive free crypto. To do this, it's really very simple. You click at the top on the Earn tab, and then you have the Simple Earn option. You just click on it. This is Binance's program that allows you to invest your cryptocurrencies to earn interest on them. So Binance can then either lend them to other people or invest them in other projects and then reward you with interest, etc. So if you plan to hold certain cryptocurrencies for a long time, it might be worthwhile to invest them through this program to also earn interest on your crypto. The interest rate will depend on the cryptocurrencies you deposit, and it will also depend on the risk. The more your crypto is deposited in risky projects, the higher your potential gains, but at the same time, you also have a higher risk of potentially losing your investment. So that's why this is not investment advice. Make sure to do your own research and only invest money that you are prepared to lose, not money that you need for your daily and essential expenses, please. So quite simply, to invest your BNB, you just need to click on the auto subscribe button, then read and activate the Simple Earn option like this. Once that's done, you can go to your wallet, and then in your BNB line, you can simply enable or disable the Simple Earn option for your BNB. So you will normally have it deactivated like this. So you just need to click on it, hit confirm, and automatically all your BNB will be invested in this Simple Earn strategy, and you'll automatically become eligible for the Hodler Airdrop Rewards program for its users. And in addition, another big advantage of holding BNB on Binance is that it will also allow you to reduce your transaction fees by up to 25%. The more BNB you hold, the lower your fees will be, and the higher your rewards will be during airdrops or Binance launchpads. We can see here, for example, that if you hold 25 BNB, you already get a discount on Binance fees, as you can see here. And then, the more you hold, the greater your fee reduction will be, and in fact, your rewards in the launchpads and in Binance's Hodler program will also be higher. You can find this in the More tab, then Launchpool, and then here in the Hodler Airdrop tab. There is actually this snapshot time when they calculate how much BNB you hold from one specific period to another. So here, for example, for the Somnia project, it was from August 12th to August 15th. So the more BNB you held during this period and invested in Binance's Simple Earn strategy, the more eligible you were to earn rewards and free crypto from the Somnia project. And so the more BNB you have compared to other eligible participants, the higher your chances of receiving a larger percentage of free cryptocurrencies distributed through this program. And then, once this snapshot period is over, Binance will simply and automatically distribute the free cryptocurrency from the airdrop into your Binance wallet, which you can find up here. You then click on Spot and a new line will automatically be added. From there, you can either sell the cryptocurrency or keep it and hope that it increases in value. So there you have it. Now you know everything about Binance's Hodler Airdrop program, the benefits of holding BNB, and how to be eligible for free crypto rewards. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget, my affiliate link is in the description if you want to sign up with Binance and get some bonuses.